this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix if your download is stuck on your PlayStation 4. So I'm downloading this basketball game, and it seems like it's not downloading. So you can see on the home screen right here, we can select it. Now there's no option to pause it or delete it right here. We want to go up to the top and go to notifications, and then select the download. So sometimes it seems like it's stuck. We can just pause it right here, and then resume it about 2 or 3 seconds later. And a lot of times when you do this, it actually speeds up the progress of the download. Now another thing that you should try is just doing a quick restart of your PlayStation, see if that fixes the issue. Maybe it's because you have some sort of application open and that's why it's being a problem. Now your internet could also be bad, so we can go up at the top, go to settings, and then go down to network. And we can just view the connection status for PlayStation Network. Maybe this is down for whatever reason, and that's the reason it's not downloading. So you can just view this to see if PlayStation has like some sort of update or something going on in the background. And you can see everything should be up and running for me. My PlayStation's just really slow. So we're good here. Now we can go to settings and go to setup internet connection. Then go to use Wi-Fi or LAN, whatever one you're using. I highly suggest you use a LAN cable because the PS4 has a terrible Wi-Fi adapter here. And it's just very slow. So let's go to use Wi-Fi and go to custom setup. And then choose your Wi-Fi connection under here. So I'm going to choose this one right here, Scump. And then go to this. And we're just going to add a custom DNS under here. So let's go to automatic, do not specify, manual DNS, and then just type in 8.8.8.8 for the primary, and type in 8.8.4.4 for the secondary, and then go to next, automatic, and then under here let's go to do not use, and then just do a quick internet connection test to see if we are connected. So you can see the download speed and the upload speed right there. Now, like I said, if you do have something open in the background, if we hold down the PlayStation button, when we get back to the main menu, we can close all the applications. And this is looking like it's good. The download speed will be only like 50 or 60 because, oh gosh, 16, that's horrible. That's probably why it's going so slow for me. So if you do have the option to connect with the LAN cable, highly suggest it. Now, we want to close any application we have open. So press options on the game and close it. This will also throttle your downloads if you do have something open. So a lot of times if you go up to the top, there will be an option to close applications under here. And another thing that you can do is just go to power and place your PS4 into rest mode. This will download the game if you have PlayStation Plus in the background when you're away. And that seems like it helps a lot. And another thing is, if you do not have enough storage on your PlayStation 4 and you're trying to download something, it's simply not going to copy everything over. So you need twice as much data than what it appears you need. So if the game's like 20 gigabytes, you need at least 40 gigabytes of free storage. So just go to application and make sure you just have enough data on here. So maybe it's Call of Duty. It's 200 gigabytes, you need like 400 gigabytes of free space on your PS4 because it copies over the entire game and then rewrites it. So you need twice the amount of space for a lot of these games. So clear that up under storage. And then another thing that you could do at any point in time, you can just cancel this out and delete it. And then go back to library, go to purchased, and then just re-download this right here. And redo the download from the very beginning. Okay, now another thing, we can go up to the top, go to settings, go to account management, and just restore the licenses on our PS4 if you've gone unable to use content you downloaded through the store. Restoring the licenses can help. And make sure your PS4 is activated as primary, so if you ever go offline, you can still play the game. And you should be good to go from here on out. So hopefully one of these tips did indeed help you. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more checkout videos coming up next on Your Six Studios.